All right guys, today I'm going to be walking you through Slick Products Car Wash Kit. Basically it's designed to offer customers a simple, easy process to clean and wash your car and get you professional results. There's not many products in this cleaning kit. I'll show you what's in it. So you're basically your first product, you have a super concentrated soap. This is a wash and wax, basically designed to go over the whole car. Works with foam cannons, foam guns. You can use it in a bucket if you want, but there's a lot of different ways you can apply that product. You'll basically apply it to the whole car, use your wash mitt to agitate the surfaces, and then rinse really well. After you've done that, you'll use the microfiber towels. They're extra soft, highly absorbent microfiber towels that are included in the kit. You'll wipe down the car with this, buff it in, because that product does contain a wax. You want to just dry and buff the surfaces, and it'll leave it nice and smooth and shiny when you're done. The next product in the kit is a cleaner and degreaser. This is a pH balanced, super safe product to use. You'll want to use this to target areas that have nasty grime. Specifically, you can use this on like tires and rims. Just spray it on there, and then you'll want to use the scrub brush that's included in your kit. This is a medium bristle brush with just soft tips, so it won't scratch your rims or anything like that. Don't recommend using this on your paint. That's why there is a wash mitt that it's included in the kit. Just use this on the tires and rims. And then you can also use this product on the engine bay. So if you pop the hood of your car, you can spray this down in there, use the towels to wipe it up. Yeah, it'll clean up all that grime that's in there. The next product, there is a shine and protectant. This is a silicone-based product. You can use this on the sides of your tires, plastic, vinyl, any other areas like that. Interior or exterior, you can use it, and works great. Just spray it on, use a towel to buff it in, or you can just leave it thick. It's totally up to you. If you're using it interior, I recommend spraying it down and just doing a quick wipe with the towels. And then lastly, when you're done, you can go around the car and use the instant detailer. This is a high gloss product. You spray it on and just protects the car and leaves a nice wax finish. It's super easy to use. Just spray it on, no rinsing is needed, and then use the microfiber towels to buff it out. But this is a great product for post-wash, or in between washings. Let's say you don't want to wash your car this coming weekend, it's not that dirty, you want to just do a quick wipe down. This is the product for you. Just spray it on there, just little lightly hit the paint, and then buff it out with the microfiber towels, and will keep your vehicle looking really, really good. Just gonna be washing my daily driver here and going through each product and showing you how they work. Now this isn't super dirty, as you can see. It's just got a little bit of just road grime and dust on it. Yeah, you can see the rims and tires got some brake dust, and it just looks a little grungy. Typical for most of our cars. Show you what this kit can do. First step, let's give it a quick rinse down. All right guys, so once you got your solution all mixed up, you've got different dials here. So E is gonna be the highest dilution setting. What I usually do to start, I back it off a little. We'll go to like C, give it a quick little rinse down, and then we'll go wash it in sections. It seems to be the easiest. So you take your garden hose handle, just attaches right here, and you're good. So I just do a quick light one. Next step is to bump it up, and then we will start in sections. So first part, we're gonna hit the top, hit the front, you want to go back over it with microfiber towels. Just give it a quick dry. As you can see, we're getting pretty good here. So the next product you're going to want to use is the cleaner and degreaser with the scrub brush. Just use it on rims, tires, spray it on, scrub it down, rinse it off. That's it. Super easy. guys, and the last one, you're gonna wanna go over it with the instant detailer. Just spray it on the painted surfaces. Use your dry towel, wipe it on, wipe it off. That's it. That's it. All right, and then lastly, you got the multi-surface shine and protectant. Go on the car and use this on vinyl, plastic, rubber surfaces, using the sides of the tires. And there you have it.